Hi. So in this video, I'll discuss about match function. So what is match functions? So match function return the position of lookup value from lookup array. So lookup array means you have to take data range. So from data range, you have to take position of lookup value. So I have already told you lookup in previous video. I have already told you lookup value means on the basis of which data you want to pick the other informations. So here I want to pick the position of row or column. Match always returns position of row or position of column only. So let's see how we can utilize the match function. So here is my data. So this data are in different column. Okay, so I just copy it into this place. Okay, so here my data is available in different column, but row is fixed. A2, B2, C2, D2, E2. So these columns are available. This value is available. These values are available in different column. So what you have to do? Here, you need to pick the position of these values in data range. So these values means you have to pick the position of column into this data sets. So what is the position of department here? First, second, third. This is a third position. If I talk about the, you have to pick the position of total salary. The total salary position is, so you have to check from first column. So first, second, third, four, five, six, seven, eighth. So total salary position is eighth column. If I talk about the row positions, so here, if I want to pick the position of Rajesh, so Rajesh position we will find into B column. So in this range, I will pick the position of Rajesh. If I find the Rajesh position in header, you will not get, because in header you are getting only header position. But if you want to pick the position of any name, at that time you have to select the complete range of B column. So in B column, what is the position of Rajesh? So you have to check where is Rajesh. Position of Rajesh is 28th number row. So if I'm checking the position into this column, then I will get the position of row. If I'm checking the position of lookup value into header, at that time I will get the position of column. So let's see how we can utilize this match function. So here I want to pick the position of these columns. So you have to apply here equal to match. You have to pass three parameters in match function. Your first parameter is lookup value. So you have to take lookup value as a header. And header, you have another lookup value is in B column. Another lookup value is in C, D, E column. So column is different in each data, but row is fixed second. So you have to fix here second number row through the F4 two times. I have pressed F4 two times. Then I have fixed the row, comma, lookup array. Lookup array means where I will get the position of name, A2 position, where I will get the position. So you have to go there in datasets and you have to select entire range. I have freezed here this reference. Only one time I have pressed F4. Then I have freezed the row and column both. A is also freezed, 1 is also freezed. H is also freezed, 1 is also freezed. So I have freezed row and column both, comma. If you want to pick the position, exactly where is the position? So you have to put here 0. 0 means exact match. Bracket close, enter. Now you can see here, you are getting position of name is second. Select it and press Ctrl R. Now you can see here the position of name is 2, position of ID is 1. Okay. So you are getting position of name column number. So you can see here position of name in this range is second. Position of total salary is 8th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th. 8th position. If I talk about the position of department, department position is 3. So you can see here you are getting position 3 for department, second column for name, first column for ID, 8th column for total salary, 5th column for TA. So we are getting position of column here. But if you want to pick the position of row, at that time you have to copy any data. Here I want to copy this name and here I'm putting name. See here. I want to pick the position of all these name. So where is the position of all these name? So you have to apply here match function. So I'm putting here position. So here I will write match function. Lookup value of match function is not header here. Here you need to take lookup value as a Rajesh. Okay. So the Rajesh is available in second number row. Amar is available in third number row. So row is moving. Column is fixed in A column. A2, A3, A4, A5. A is fixed here. So you have to press F4 3 times to freeze our column, comma, where I will get the position of Rajesh. So you have to go there and you have to check position in B column. So in B column, I will get position of row. Okay. If I'm selecting this header, may I get the position of Rajesh into header? No, because in header, we are getting header, data header. But I need to pick the position of name. So you have to take complete range of name, freeze it, comma, then you have to take 0. 0 means exactly lookup value is matching, then you will get the position. Otherwise, you will not get. So you are getting row number as a 28th for Rajesh. Drag in downside. Then you can see here you are getting position of row number is Amar for 2. Sonu 43. So Amar and Sonu is second and 43. So you have to check it. So you can see here Amar is in row number 2. If I talk about the Sonu, Sonu is in 43 number row. So see here, this is the 43 number row. So this is the match function which will give you position of row and column. No other position. So that's all for basic match function. Thank you so much.